friends, Kim here, Abundant Life Tarot. Thank you so much for joining me. We are doing a deck flip through of the Magical Nature Tarot. I am so excited to have this deck in my hands. It is the last deck that I added to my collection in 2024. And it's been out for a while, at least I think a year at the time of this recording. But I didn't really hear about it until recently. And thank you, Aspire Rising, Beth. Thank you for mentioning it, because once it came on my radar, friends, I was like drawn to it. I was watching deck flip throughs of it, getting acquainted with the cards while I watched the deck flip throughs. I did a deck interview asking should I add this to the collection, and basically I got a message of yes, you definitely should. So I'm excited. I purchased it through Etsy. Jorie Morgan is the creator, and if you are tired of like the AI looking generated art, or you want something that is really handcrafted for your tarot deck, this would fit the bill for you perfectly. So yeah, it's just got this handmade feel to it that I love so much. And there's no guidebook, and it comes in a tuck box. Okay, tuck box. But there is a guide online, and so you're going to get a, what do they call it, a UC code or whatever, to be able to access the guidebook. And it comes with a little personal note card and a nice sweet touch. So I'm very happy I got the deck, and it was perfect. It was kismet, because the deck was recommended to me by Beth. Thank you, Beth. And then the deck went on sale, and I was like, and then I had like a $5 coupon with it in addition to the sale price. And so it was like, it's meant to be. So I'm going to share with you the cards. So here are the card backs. And the box is made from 100% recycled paper, and both the deck and the box use like soy-based inks, and she even lists on the back what those, like what types of inks were used. For example, wild grape or black walnut. Like, it feels different, like different than any cardstock I've ever felt before, but it's got a good bend, a nice core. I mean, for recycled paper, it's wonderful. You will instantly know that this is the real deal because of probably this cardstock here. You know, there's counterfeit stuff going on. There's AI generated decks. No matter where you fall in the spectrum of whether you accept them and buy them or not, some of us really want something that's still handcrafted. It's straight from the artist to us, the collector or the reader. And that is why I was really drawn to this. I craved something like this for my collection. So it feels really good. Feels good. Nothing like I felt before. Love the card backs. Absolutely love them. That is the Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Three. Four. Here's the Five of Pentacles. I can't wait to get into using this deck. Six of Pentacles. Seven. Eight. That's 9. 10. Seeker of Pentacles, which would be traditionally the page. My apologies. The water truck for the cistern in the back is here. Commotion. We have here a Apprentice of Pentacles, which is traditionally the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, can you see that? Mentor of Pentacles, traditionally the Queen. I like that, the Mentor. And then we have Ancestor of Pentacles, which is traditionally the King of Pentacles. Next up is the Suit of Cups. Okay. Oh my goodness, lots of noise. I don't know if you can hear all that. 3 of Cups. Four. Oh, 5. That is a great 5 of Cups right there. Oh my goodness. There's 2 empty cups and then 3 full cups. Looks like they're crying into the cups. This person is crying into the 3 cups nearest them. 6 of Cups. Colors are just so beautiful. I don't think this video is going to do it justice. Just like the images on Etsy. Seeing the images there, beautiful. But in hand, it just feels great and it looks amazing, gorgeous. 7 of Cups. One of the cards that drew me to this deck that why I wanted it was this 8 of Cups. 9 of Cups. Make a wish. It's the wish card. 10 of Cups. Fulfillment. Seeker. Apprentice. Mentor. Ancestor. Next up is the Wand suit. We have Ace of Wands, 2 of Wands, 3 of Wands. I think is that 4 of Wands, Celebration. 5 of Wands. 6. 7. 8. Love that. At the microphone. Okay. 9 of Wands. 10 of Wands. Seeker of Wands. Apprentice of Wands. Mentor. Ancestor. Love that. Ancestor of Wands. Ace of Swords. 2 of Swords. Oh, I love this 3 of Swords. It's part, drawn heart, right? And then part, like there's details in it that makes it anatomical. Like that. See that? It's gorgeous. 4 of Swords. Okay. Ah, look at the 5 of Swords. It's like an army. It's interesting. Let's see. 6 of Swords. Seven of Swords. Great Seven of Swords. Eight of Swords. Nine. Ten. Beautiful Ten of Swords. So now we have the Seeker of Swords, Page of Swords, the Apprentice, okay, Mentor of Swords, and Ancestor of Swords. Now, this is now the majors. Okay, so now we're going to get into the Fool card. Okay, the Magician, the High Priestess. Wow, look at the Empress. This is a different take on the Empress. I'm going to definitely look at the guidebook and see what is offered, because I'm like, wow, this is interesting. Another reason why we like to collect decks, right? So you can see the different perspectives. We have the Emperor, okay, the Hierophant, the Lovers, two Elephants, and I believe in another deck I recently got this year, the Curious Travels Tarot, the Lovers is also two elephants. So there you have it. We have the Chariot. Make sure. Let me see what that is. Strength. This is cool because it's just, look at the different layers of colors, and I don't know, and it feels like it's like on some sort of hard parchment paper, which is, I don't know, like you can hear it, right? You can hear that. Here's the Hermit, and this little person right here. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. Here's Justice. Really can't wait to use this. Instead of the Hanged Man, we get the Suspended one. Here's Death. Temperance. Okay. We have the Devil. We have the Devil. The Tower. The Star. Okay. The Moon. Gorgeous. Here's the Sun. I'm looking forward to doing an actual deck interview with this deck to see what is the ways in which that I can connect with it more. How can I best work with this deck? I did do a pre-deck interview with another deck asking should I add this deck to the collection, and and what type of readings would it be best for. So I have that in the back of my mind percolating, but now I'm going to specifically have a conversation with this deck now that it's here. Judgment. And the World. Oh, I love it. I had a scary moment earlier today. So there's a courier service that ships from Miami to the Dominican Republic. And I've used it ever since I got here in 2021. Well, this deck showed up that I was received a few days ago. And in the system, when I got ready to get the deck today, like go pick it up in town, it wasn't showing anymore. It was like it disappeared, and I freaked out, like, did someone take my deck accidentally? Did they get my deck? And so I contacted them. and they found it and they put it back in the system. Like, this is a week before Christmas, so I give the courier service grace, but I freaked out. I was like, I don't want to not have my deck. So yeah, let's see how, oh, it overhand shuffles like a dream. If you are new to tarot, you certainly could make your way around it. Now, you may find some of the name changes a little challenging, but it follows the traditional Rider-Waite-Smith system. Aside from the name changes, the pictures or depictions, only a couple of them I noticed are a little different than what you would expect with your traditional Rider-Waite-Smith, you know, imagery. So there's that, but I don't think that a newbie could not get a, you know, they could totally work with this deck. You know, if the textured tarot, which also is, you know, very earth conscious, and we need to be more earth conscious, right? That deck has an interesting card stock, but it's very difficult to shuffle. This one shuffles like a dream, friends. Shuffles like a dream. I'm about to use this bad boy tonight with some readings. I can't wait to use it. Okay, one more time. One more time. I ain't never shuffled anything so luxurious. I'm so pleased. Let's see how it does with jumpers. Oh, got a jumper. Apprentice of Swords. Yeah. Jumpers on point. Seeker of Cups. Let's see what else got. Temperance. All right. That works. So there you have it, folks. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on the Magical Nature Tarot. I cannot wait to hear from you all in the comment section. Do you have this deck? Have you been using it? What do you think of the shuffability of it? What is also your input on whether or not newbies, or is this a deck that is only for intermediate or advanced readers? For me, I get a sense, my overall impression is that a newbie could handle this. And it would probably enjoy having something so like earthy and creative. And I literally love that the creator is still being able to make something so unique, so special. And yeah, and you feel like as a reader, you have a real beautiful piece of art in your hands and something that is truly magical and is of nature. Hence the Magical Nature Tarot. So do me a favor, on your way out, please don't forget to hit the like button, friends. And subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to me. And we're on our way to 6,000 subscribers. I want to do something special for you all. A giveaway, of course, but also other ways to celebrate. So help me get there. All right, friends, you take very good care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.